Hello my dear viewers, good day. How are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo. Today we will unbox my 13 inches ring light which I bought online. At the same time, we'll also have a short review of this product. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, please do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe my channel and click the notification button for more of my videos in the future. Okay, just continue watching. Okay, let us now do the unboxing. So that's the octopus. That's the octopus tripod with, of course, with the cell phone holder. And that's the box of my 13 inches ring light. Okay, let's open the box to see how big is 13 inches ring light. Okay, meron siyang battery AAA, that is for the remote control, that one. Okay, charan, that's the size of the 13 inches ring light. Mayroon tayo diyang phone holder. So this one is phone holder, and this is the charger connector. Okay, of course, with the remote control. Diyan na yung remote control. So by the way, maganda yung product, only that one of my orders has not been included in the package. Yun yung problema ko. By the way, with regards to the ring light, so hindi siya branded. Actually, ito lang yung nakasulat sa box. Touch remote control ring supplementary lamp EL360. Pero maganda naman yung actual. Mayroon siyang remote control. Andito yung remote control niya, and then yung itsura ng ring light ay ganyan sa box. So mayroon tayong actual na, this is the actual remote control. So andito yung on dito. Dito na lang. So, mayroon tayong on. Nakikita ba? On, off. Then, we have there the increase and decrease of the color temperature. And then, mayroon tayong CT, negative CT plus. The same lang yung function ng increasing the brightness, also warming the temperature. Then sa section part, yan, dyan natin na change yung kulay or color temperature switching. So yung actually ginagamit ko na siya ngayon kasi wala akong ibang ring light. Andyan na siya, oh. Yan na siya, malaki siya. Sobrang laki niya. Medyo masalimuot ang loob ng kwarto. So, yan siya kalaki. Sa gitna, mayroong lalagyan ng cellphone. Nakikita nyo ba yung lalagyan ng cellphone? So, pwede natin siyang ganyan. Pwede nating i-twist yung lalagyan ng phone. So, malaki siya because pwedeng ipasok dyan yung ulo ko. And mayroon siyang 4 color temperature. So, i-change natin yung kulay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yun yung apat. Then, pwede natin ma-increase yung ano niya, temperature. Yung nakikita yung bag, may bag dyan sa likod. Okay. Didim natin. So, yung ginagamit ko kanina sa pag-video, yun na yun. Okay, so yan. Yan yung product. Yan yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Tingnan nyo kung walang light. I-off natin. Let's see ano yung mangyayari sa box na yan kung walang light. Ganyan. Ay, i-off ko rin yan. Yun lang light na gamit yan. Pag nilagyan natin ng light, super, ano na siya. Yun lang guys. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as I have said a while ago, if you are new to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and share this video and click the notification button for more of my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.